Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So last time we reached to level 13 and we defeated hermits. So okay, we need to purchase armor, health and ninja star. Sorry, and weapon on 14 level. Okay, helm. I have to purchase helm and armor. Okay, 3 and 1 4,000. We need 5,000 coins. Okay, let's see. Tournament is impossible. Let's play survival. Round 1. Oh, this is new. Oh, these are mantis weapon. Like the weapon. Shit. Just back up. Back. Okay, next round. Okay, he is also new. He has access. Access or access, whatever. Will he use magic? Okay, shock. Perfect. Round 3. Okay. Same weapon and new character again. Wait a minute. All right. All right, next round. Round 4. Okay, we have old ninja back. Does old ninja repeat it? All of them? Wait a minute. Let me attack, please. Ninja stuck. Sorry, wrong time. Wait a minute. Alright, next round. 5. Okay. Old ninja. Okay, I'll lose. Okay. So maybe we could purchase suit and helm and let's play tournament. I think the new character will be with nunchucks maybe because there was Seer in Hermit Act who came with daggers on first time. So most probably tournament first stage will be the player will be with nunchucks. Let's purchase buy. Okay, we can upgrade one. You know what? Let's just play hard. Or just upgrade one more time. Upgrade. Okay. Normal. Let's see who is with first challenger. Soothsayer. What does that mean? Whatever. He has nunchuck, and I was right. I was right. I was right. Wait a minute. Let me attack. Wait a minute. No, please, please, please. Start. Wait. She was little. She was aggressive. I don't know. Or maybe I'm just stupid. Actually, I don't like this weapon much. Why the hell go back? Shit. No. Go back. Finally. He was tough. You cannot purchase more. Okay. Soothsayer was hard. Not that easy. Let's see what's in hard. Who will come? Maybe we could upgrade our range weapon, but let's just not do that. It's just stupid idea. Wasting money on upgrade. If the challenge is equipment level, so that's the reason why I need to upgrade Ninja Start. Okay, all right. Let's play hard. Brawler. Okay. Where I want to first tackle. No damage at all. I hate this weapon. Oh shit. Will he use magic? No. What kind of magic you have, bro? No, 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 no. Okay. No, please. Alright, we won. Brawler defeated. Let's just upgrade our stuff. Um, Challenge unlocks at stage level 7. Okay. And duel after 2 bodyguards. So now let's just upgrade a helm and armor. Then let's battle again tournament. And then we will go towards survival again. Um, Survival upgrade. 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 One. 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 Upgrade again. Let us upgrade weapon this time. One. Alright. It's still hard. Let's just play mountain. Again old. Okay. I think Hermit one will get repeated. Like Linux one repeated in Hermit. And of course, yes, when I speak this happens. Wait a minute. I upgrade my weapon, bro. You cannot run from it. No, you're not supposed to use kick. No way, no way, no way. Okay. Round 2. What the? Okay. One. Seriously? Alright, let's upgrade. Sorry. Again, sorry. I just sneezed. Oh, alright, it's hard. We will get 5,000. Let's battle tournament. Pickpocket. Alright, same weapon. Pickpocket, seriously? Oh my god. I think when we reach to higher X, maybe difficulty level rises. That's the point. I need to remember. So I guess butcher will be hard. Oh my god. Oh wow. Wait a minute. Just kicks and kicks. I am also bad. Backup, bro, backup. Alright. Oh, I was the. What I want to do. All right, edit. No way, shit. Just go. Go away. One more, grab him and throw him again. Okay. One. Okay, reached level 14. Nice. So maybe we can battle bodyguard first. First bodyguard of Butcher. And it's insane. Butcher is also insane. Can we wait a minute? Learn. So okay. 12,000. 15. 9. Okay. Alright. I need a weapon. How much it was? 12. Let's play survival. Alright. She's back with her sword. Oh my god, game is lagging. 1 minute. Okay. How? Alright. A new, okay, he has claws. Tiger weapon. This weapon look worse than Linux claws. These are cheap copy of Linux claws. The weapon the previous ninja has, it's literally cheap. That claws look way more worse than the knives and another knife claws that Brawler and Iron Madman had. Wait a minute, back. Okay. Next round. 5. Okay. Heavy stuff. Oh shit. Don't use magic. Okay. Actually, I want to know how they use magic. And of course, he dodged that. Don't worry, bro. I'm purchasing that weapon only. No. Back up. Wait. Shit. Okay, I lost. Cancel. Oh, we don't have energy left. Let's just wait. Maybe we Can battle now first bodyguard with purchasing stuff. Wait, can I purchase? Lo. All right. Let's okay. Energy is back. We have one more life, and we can now purchase. Okay. So now it's supposed to be hard. Okay. Fight. Bird. I knew it. She will be bodyguard of Butcher or Butcher. Wanna see some sights? What sights? I'll show you my favorite part of town first. It I'll take your breath away once and for all. Let's see. Oh my god, it is bodyguard. Looks like gangsters. Bird. Okay. Wait, she has a weapon from Act First. That's not right. Okay, I need to dodge from there. She has the weapon which Dandy has had. No, Dandy had swords. She has, I don't know. I forgot. Wait a minute. Okay, God. Bird, please don't hurt me. Oh, she's being. She is now switching her position. So sad. I just got mixed up with the wrong people. Yes, of course you did. That's all. Let me go and I promise to stop tricking travelers. Yes, you should stop that. It was the worst experience. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today. If you enjoyed the videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next one. Goodbye. Have a nice day. And if you have your exams, then best of luck. Till then, good night or good afternoon or maybe morning. I don't know what time you're watching my videos. Still good night. Bye.